Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine for those of you who don't know me. Today I decided to cut up some of my t-shirts. They just kind of look dingy and they weren't like my favorite shirts or anything, but I definitely liked them in my t-shirt collection. So I wasn't ready to kind of just give them away or throw them away just yet. So I figured maybe if I cut them up a little bit, I kind of just give them like new life, if that makes any sense. I have this Jaguars t-shirt. It's just too tight up in this area. I mean, it's not like skin tight, it's just, I don't like how the neck part just like, I just feel like it's kind of like choking me. And then like the more I wash it and like all this, I feel like it's just like shrinking more and more each time. So I decided to cut this t-shirt. And then the second one is this black Star Wars shirt. I'm not like a Star Wars nerd fan or anything, but I do like it. And I happen to have a t-shirt. I'm pretty sure I took this t-shirt from my brother, like a long time ago. But yeah, I decided to cut this one up too. This one also was getting a little like dingy and like kind of faded. So I just decided to cut them. I don't have any cut up cute shirts. Like I know it was like a big trend at one moment. I'm sure girls still wear them. I see girls still wear them, but I just don't think it's as big as it was when it like first started trending or whatever. And I never attempted to cut up my t-shirt like this. I never attempted to like buy one in the store or anything. I probably have one shirt, but obviously it was made that way. I never actually like cut up my own t-shirts. And I feel like a lot of girls have, and they look really cute with them. So I'm a little late on the bandwagon, but I'm here now and I just figured I'd record it and show you guys. I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out, so just a warning, I'm just gonna have fun and just kind of show y'all me cutting it and then me trying it on and then just showing y'all the end results. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so here's shirt number one. I don't have like the best angle or anything, but like here it is. I just feel like it's just too much right here and I feel like I need to breathe, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna just do like that little triangle thing. And I have this white crayon to kind of sketch it out. I don't have any like chalk or anything, so I'm hoping this kind of shows up and makes it easy for me to cut. So I'm just looking at myself and then just gonna go from there. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I know I don't want it like too low. I don't want to be showing like the girls. So obviously I think that part's, the collar stays. I just don't know how far back I want to go. Like, should I go all the way back? Or do you just like, I don't know, I kind of do want to go all the way back, but maybe you don't do that, I don't know. We won't go like all the way back to this seam, but we'll do it like, we'll do my collarbone, how about that? Or like right above it. So that's here. And then maybe like his, oh, this is gonna be so ratchet. Okay, so my collarbone gonna be here. Does that look even? And where I put like right here, right? This is not gonna be perfect, but maybe like once I cut it or something, it'll look a little bit better. Okay, so there's kind of like my outline. Let me go ahead and cut it and then I'll try it on and see if I need to make any more changes to it. Okay guys, so the reveal in 3, 2, just kidding. Here it is. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. It actually looks kind of cute. I have like my necklaces in the way, but this does feel weird because I'm like missing a hole in my t-shirt. I did not use the best scissors ever. Like, these are so dull and, you know, what else? I think it looks okay though. I could probably make these just a little bit straighter. But other than that, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks cute, right? I didn't do anything to the back. I left the back. Yeah, I definitely feel a little bit better. I mean, this part's still like way up here, but I guess because this part's gone, I feel like I can breathe. Like, I don't feel so like turtleneck-ish. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's cute. I think it's cute. I don't know if my necklaces are like too much or if it looks better under. I think I kind of like it under. It looks cool that way. But yeah, let me go ahead and try the other one. All right, so here is the Star Wars shirt. There's nothing on the back. So for this one, I'm gonna cut it a little bit different. I'm not doing the triangle. I think I want to do it'll be like open just like right here on the sides. I don't really know how to explain it, so I'm just gonna draw it out the best I can. I just don't know how open I want to go. So we're like I have like a little hole right here, and then I'll stop at the seam. Maybe I have to go in some. Hold on. We just go straight up? Like, I don't know. Let me try that. I'm just gonna go down and then up. This makes like no sense, but once I cut it, maybe it'll look better. Oh, I think I went more in. So like that. And wow, that is so off. Okay, hold on. I don't know, somehow I'll try and make them even, because this just looks like a hot mess. The shirt is a little like off center, so I don't know if that's throwing me off. I don't know. Okay, once I cut it, maybe I can like even it out. Let me go ahead and try it. I think I messed up, but we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, this one looks a little rough because I had an idea in my head, but I didn't know how to really accomplish it, so I just kind of went with the flow. Here it is. I think it's kind of cool. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't have gone in like too close right here. Maybe I should have like got out just a little bit further. But it really doesn't look that bad. Like as I was doing it, I was like, wow, this is gonna look so horrible. Let me kind of pull down my bra straps to see like what it really looks like. I think it looks cool. Obviously this one's not cut perfect either. I'm working with dull scissors. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, nothing's like super even. I can probably cut just like a smidgen right here. The back confused me a lot because I was gonna just like cut the back all the way, but then I was like, wait. Then I'll be cutting this thing. It was just, I don't know, I was being very blonde while cutting it. I don't know what was going through my head, but it doesn't look that bad. Let me show you the back. Like, this part is weird to me. Like, I don't like how the back looks. Honestly, like, I don't know if it would be weird, but like, should I just like cut that part off? But if I, like, keep in mind, if I cut this off, then I'll have to cut it right here. So then when I take the shirt off, this part will just be like hanging. Like it's only gonna be attached to the front part. So I don't know if that's how you do it. Like I don't know. I'm trying to think. Like I could cut the collar part and just like make a triangle back here. So that way it's still like all attached. I don't know yet, because I don't want to like ruin it because I love my Star Wars shirt. I think this is cute. I mean, it's DIY, it's not perfect, but I think the fact that it's not perfect makes it look kind of cool. So what do you guys think? I feel like I have a choker on or something. This does feel really weird though. Like, I don't know. I don't know what to do with the back. So if someone has any, like if you know how to cut shirts and you know like what'll look best, please leave a comment and let me know, because I don't think I want to leave it like this, but at the same time I don't want to mess it up by like trying something. For now, I think I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't know. But yeah, that is the end of this video. It's definitely not as long as all my other ones, thank goodness. Yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Bye.